My name is Muhammad. I'm working for XM as a partners relations manager.
Oh, that's great. So, Muhammad, why XM? Why should we choose XM?
Well, XM is a well-established broker since 15 years ago. We are 15 years in this market. We have been developing this market since 2009 in so many countries, in so many aspects. That's why such a broker would be worth it to work with.
Yeah. So, what are the requirements for becoming an IB for XM?
Well, requirements are not really hard. It's not something difficult. The most important that you have your ways, you have your channels in order to bring clients and take care of them in a way that you will help them to trade. Maybe you will help them to learn more because number one we always care about is education.
So, what are some benefits a person is going to gain if they become an IB with XM?
There's so many benefits. For sure, there is money, there is commissions, there is this benefits, but the bigger benefit he can get with XM that he will be always developing himself. We always working on ideas, on developments, where he can reach the maximum benefits, and also we get the maximum benefit, and our client will be always our priority.
So, what advice would you give someone who is looking for a broker? What should they look out for?
First of all, you have to look for a regulated broker so your money is safe. This is number one you have to search for. And a broker which will provide you a good services and education. Education is very important. If you go to trade and you are not educated about what you are going to do, you are going to lose everything.
What advice would you give people who are trying to get into the Forex industry?
Well, the first advice is again education. We care about it the most. You get the enough education, so you are going to stay the best way in the market.